go. Yeah.
Pay me on the first. Niggas know I broke the curse. How I feel when the roles is reversed. Nigga got it out the dirt. Bad bitches round, I'm a flirt. And I'm going for my eighth like Kerr. Do you concur? Catch me if you can, low perp. I go Kyrie Curry on the verse. Ball like a nerf. Meet me on the turf. I don't mean for real group, but these niggas nerds. Full of that serve. You will get served. My niggas make you hide your face like her. And I like her. Titties and furs. Big green phantom got him hooked, Larry Bird. Give him the bird. Fuck what you heard. I'm the best rapper. Niggas call me Tiger. That's whiter than an iceberg. I'm nicer than your favorite rapper on perks. I might curb if she don't got good slurp. Be nicer. Put you on a RP shirt. Yes, sir. Riding in a two-seater. I love hoe, but I still gotta bang ether. Believe it or not, came back from the sunk and now I'm cream of the crop. I need cash on spot. I don't want the deposit. I got DMs from every IG thought, but I'm locked in. Studio 24/7. I just popped in. Fucking with the leakers. When I leave, it's gon' reek here. On my way to your house, my girl's top tier. If we talking overall, I'm top 10. Flows, cars, bitches, ice. King in Dubai, like fuck the price. Looking at yours, I'm like fuck my life. Looking at yours, I'm like, you're right. I might go psych, go Mike. It's red rum on sight. Yeah. Bitch, I'm always right.
Let's get it.
Everybody wanna be like Mike. Big bank, take little bank. Ayy, fuck around and need another bank. Ayy, 1,300 stars in the Wraith. And I'm on at 42, man. Yeah, big bank, take little bank. This my shit when I'm in the Wraith.
Yeah, Tiger.
And my Maybach up to date.